Let b equals to log base 2a, where a is greater than 0. Write down each of the following expressions in terms of b. The first is given as log base 2 of a cube. So for this we just need to implement the formula, and if you remember the formula, that is log of a to the power b, this is nothing but b into log a. Here the base is e. Though the base is e, for any base this formula satisfies. Okay, so b will be above the log function. So here 3 is here, so 3 will be above the log function. So 3 log base 2a. Now you can see log base 2a is basically nothing but b. So this particular portion is nothing but here it is given, that is log base 2a equals to b. So we can write 3b. So log base 2 a to the power 3 is nothing but 3b, because we need to find it out in terms of b. So it is equals to 3b. Now the second question number b, log base 2 8. Again just try to remember one formula, that is log ab equals to log a plus log b irrespective of any base. So from here obviously we can write log base 2 8 plus log base 2 a. Now log base 2 8, the value of log base 2 8 equals to 3, because 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. So from here this value is 3, plus again this value is given here, that is b equals to log base 2a. So this value will be b. So log base 2 8a is nothing but 3 plus b. So this problem is also done. It is nothing but 3 plus b. Now the last problem, C, that is log base 8a. Here we need to implement one chain rule for log, and the chain rule is like this: log base 2a divided by log base 2 8. It is nothing but the base we are considering. With the base we just need to divide it with the base. So basically this is equals to log base 8a. Okay, so now we know the value of this two particular thing. This is already given here as here. From here you can see log base 2 equals to b, so it is already b divided by the value of log base 2 8. It is done here, it is 2 to the power 3 equals to 8, that's why log base 2 8 equals to 3, so b by 3. So we can write log base 8a equals to b by 3. So the value of log base 8a is equals to b by 3. This is also done. So thank you for watching IB 360. In next videos we will discuss the later problems. Thank you.